Yes, welcome to my channel. This is Skyward. I train people on how to make money online on affiliate marketing. And with my tutorial and my guide, you are going to be making thousands of dollars weekly. Follow my videos, watch my videos to see what I have for you.
Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, I'll be training people on how to make money on affiliate marketing, and I'm still training people on how to make money on affiliate marketing. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that goes my software and video course, and it's earning big already, as you can see on the screen. These are excellent results. So affiliate marketing is just selling a product for his company and getting commission for each product to sell, and for each product to sell, you are getting a commission for it. For instance, if the product costs $100, you can get $20 your own commission, and the higher the price of the product, the higher your commission. Yes, so there are many things to consider when going into affiliate marketing, and one of it is that you need a strong traffic system. Traffic, I mean people that are going to be accessing your products and your affiliate link, people that are going to come into your affiliate platform to buy the product. So also there are also methods by which you can use to get stable clients, people that are still going to, maybe for instance when you sell a product to a client, now the client also will have to come again. So there are methods by which you can do that, and there are also some products that are known for some kind of location and for some kind of audience. So there are things you need to know in affiliate marketing. Also, we have two type of traffic system in affiliate marketing, which means two means by which you can make people access your affiliate products online. Main method by which you can promote your affiliate products to people online. We have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. The paid traffic system include the Facebook ad, solo ad, YouTube ad, Instagram ads, and so on. And the free traffic system is where I'm coming, because I have a software which I developed myself. Yes, I'm a software developer. I developed the software myself, and I've been using it for a while now, and it has been giving me excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course, and is doing fine. These are excellent results, as you can see on the screen. So my software work by gathering more than 2,000 organic leads online daily and promoting your affiliate link or product to these organic leads for you to get commission. Yes, and with my software you are going to be earning daily. Yes, daily earning on any of your affiliate marketing platform, because my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone. You can use it on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and other affiliate marketing platforms like ClickBank also. So to get my software and video course and start earning big now, please contact me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, so do it to get the software now. And also, when you are getting my software, I'm going to be training you. I'm going to stick by you to start earning. And some people have been asking me that since I'm earning thousands of dollars, why am I still selling software? The purpose of me selling software is to gather affiliate marketers around the world, because I'm still working on more softwares and more tools to make digital marketing easy, and for you to make people to have access to money through affiliate marketing, and have a bigger dream and focus and future for this. So get my software now through my Gmail or my Telegram at skyward271@gmail.com, or on my Telegram through the number you can see on the screen now, and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward, and I train people on how to make money online. Thank you.